mai I pōtiki rua ki te toka a Taiao. Rere iho ki ngā tukemata o ka hungunu. Ngā reo irirangi o Tairawhiti.
He waka eke noa, yes, we're all together on this waka called Kapu Tairawhiti.
Our bridge to the latest stories in Aotearoa, brought to you by Turanganui FM, Radio Ngāti Pro and Radio Kahungunu.
Now, a $3.4 million 1,000-year Waka walkway bridge has been installed.
It is a bridge that connects Titirangi and the Puhikaiti Cook landing site that has finally been erected.
Now, this project is a collaboration between Ngāti Oneone and the Gisborne District Council.
We'll look at the work soon, but first, anei ngā taipitopito o te wā. Kia ora e hika mā ki te Tairawhiti, hei te rā pawaka, arā te rā whai muri mai te krihi me te tūai tētahi whakataetahi I ka mo ngā tamariki me ngā pakeke. Mai te ono karaka I te ata, tainua atu ki te rua karaka I te ahiahi tūai te kaupapa nei, a whakanuia ai ngā kaihi ika ki te RSA. Rua te kautara, te rehita mo ngā pakeke, te kautara mo ngā tamariki, te kaumarua tau, me raro iho. Ki konei ki Turanganui-a-kiwa, toru te kau mano tāra, kua kohia ki te rā Gisborne Terrier Races. Te katoa o te pūtea nei, ka tākohangia ki ngā tāngata kua pāngia I te mate pukupuku. I te tau 2010 timata I te kaupapa nei, a mai tauwa wā ki tēnei wā, kua kohia e rātau I te 450 mano tāra. Ki ka hungunu kei te tautoko a Energy Mate I ngā whānau o te wairua e rarua nei te utu hiko. Mā ngā kai arahi e whakaako ki ngā whānau me pēhia te pinapina pūtea, me pēhia hoki te pānui I ngā nama. E ai ki te kōreroa tānia huata he kaupapa whaihua tēnei I tēnei wā o te uaua me te ngau o te krihi me te. He kaupapa tēnei ka hōrapa I te motu, a mo te roanga atu whakapā atu ki tō tare kaunihira ārohe. Akati, koera ngā kōrero o te wā.
The Waka walkway has been in the pipeline for about 6 years as part of the Tairawhiti Navigations project.
This kaupapa has been externally funded through a lotteries grant of $3.1 million and a Trust Tairāwhiti grant of $343,000.
Ka mautawihi. Now, this open-air pedestrian bridge offers majestic views of Turanganui-a-kiwa. I whai wāhi ahau ki tētahi o ngā kaikōkiri te kaupapa nei, arā kia Nick tūpara, tēnā kia mātakitaki ake tātou. Well, kia ora Nick, here I am standing on one of your previous pieces known as Puhikaiti, which stands right next door to your latest piece. Tell us about it.
Well, it was long coming. It was part of a bridge connection between Puhikaiti, this sacred site of ours, and our sacred maunga behind me. And over time, it's evolved from the original design concept into a waka form. And so we've attempted to take waka and include it into the overall narrative for this place.
So he ingoa tōna, does it have a name yet?
It doesn't have a name as far as I'm aware, but I've been referring to it as Waikahua because that's the location where the taurapa of the waka sits against our maunga. And Waikahua is a reference to the view from there. And it was at that place that our tipuna would stand and look out to the ocean, read the signs of the taiao of nature, and determine whether or not they should go out onto the moana or stay home that day, or what was happening in terms of impact on the place that they live. And so our waka gives that view. It gives that view over the port, over the log storage, out to the moana, where now our current generations have an opportunity to capture some of a broader aspect of what maunga means, what tipuna means, and what the special place Puhikaiti is all about.
Well, Nick, as we can hear and see, it's still getting its bells and whistles, still under construction. What was your role in terms of its overall design?
Well, since 2019, when the Puhikaiti artworks were unveiled, it's taken us that long to get the bridge component in place. Construction arrived here with a concept of a waka, and my task was to make that waka as close to what we would expect in our traditions a waka should be. But it still has to be a bridge. It still has to carry people and keep them safe. It still has to have the view and the aspect. But we wanted it to also include enough reference to waka, so when our people come around the corner here down to the site, they can look up and go, yes, that's a waka. And so, yeah, those bells and whistles, those pieces of whakairo are just starting to get added to the bridge now. And in the next couple of weeks, fingers crossed, it'll all come together.
So upon completion, Nick, does it have a lighting plan for at night?
There was a lighting plan so that it becomes a place to come in the evening. Same with Puikaiti, it's lit up at night. And so it's a place where we want our families to come and enjoy the space day and night and experience those tikanga aspects of our tipuna in our contemporary times.
Pātai whakamutunga ki a koe, Nick. Hei ahia, kake ai tātou ki runga I te waka nei.
At the beginning of the school holidays, November, December, it should be all going to plan and the workers are going flat out at the moment to ensure that we get to there.
A tāhua rawātu tērā kaupapa, me te piriti hoki. So next time you're in Gizzy, go and check it out. Now on the next Kapu Tairawhiti, we talk to world champion Catherine Maluli about being acknowledged recently at the Māori Sports Awards and how she first stepped into the sharing world.
We'll share with you that story next time. But for now,
E te ti, e te tā,
hei
kona.
kona!
Ko te reo, te take.